Can I go? I'm Maximilian Missoni, and this is Polestar 4. But I can now, when we go to the side, now we do cut to the side, and then you see the fast. I mean, look at this. Look at this roofline. Normally, you need to provide for a good rear view with the inner rear view mirror, in any car, really. But we have realized that technology has reached a point where you can switch out the physical mirror with a digital display and an HD camera. I would like to point out the camera, but then I don't know if you will see it from where you stand. This is the rear window. What that means is we could now take the rear header structure and move it rearwards. I can't open the door, can I? No. This doesn't just improve the range of the car, but it allows for something else that is truly special. I really like to do this. Look at that. This car has an extremely spacious rear seat. I will demonstrate that if you come with me. Can you do me a favor? Can you sit so that you're comfortably in the front seat and move your seat in that position? But now you're comfortably driving.
Yeah, sure.
Really?
Yeah.
That's even more than I thought. And then I do this. They're reclinable seats in Polestar 4. Remember when I talked about the long wheelbase? Well, look at this. The leg room I have here. Here are my knees. There's this much to the front seat. It's absolutely incredible. And in combination with the camera system, I can sit extremely upright and comfortably in this car and still have quite a lot of space above my head to the glass roof. Let's go to the front. Let's talk about headlights. At Polestar, we call our light signature the dual blade. This is the daytime running light. And the functional headlights are hidden underneath. The illuminated star. The thing is, often logos are illuminated through the whole emblem. We didn't like that. We thought it was way more sophisticated if you had a halo effect, the light just on the outside of the logo. So the logo could be in our signature body color finish, but you still have a beautifully, elegantly illuminated. All right, so let's talk about power. Polestar 4 produces out of a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, 400 kilowatts, or for more old school people like myself, 544 horsepower, which accelerates it in 3.8 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. My top 10 features of Polestar 4. Can I do that? And now, my top features of Polestar 4. The illuminated Polestar logo, the dual blade headlamps, the frameless rear view mirrors, the rear window, the incredible rear space, the reclinable rear seat, the Planet lighting app, I just realized something. We did talk a lot about 3D technique and stuff, but we didn't say that the car also comes in leather, of course.
Okay.
Or maybe we can do something in the video, you know, you can maybe do a graphic effect or something